Property Owner Files, Season 4, Episode 9. The maintenance triage system I use now. How I decide what to fix and what to wait on this maintenance system reduced my stress. Is being a landlord really worth it? Season 4 is about prevention, systems that stop problems from escalating. Today's file is about maintenance. Not fixing everything, fixing the right things. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. The maintenance triage system I use now. Maintenance used to control my schedule. Every request felt urgent. Every message demanded a decision. Every repair felt like a test. That constant urgency created stress, not solutions. Today's file is about the maintenance triage system I use now. Not to delay responsibility, but to apply it correctly. This system didn't reduce maintenance. It reduced panic. Stay until the end, because one rule here prevented more unnecessary repairs than anything else I've done. And if this helps you think more clearly about property ownership, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Why everything feels urgent. To tenants, everything feels immediate. That makes sense. They live there. But urgency isn't the same as importance. Without a system, landlords treat all requests equally and burn out. The goal isn't to ignore issues. It's to prioritize correctly. Still watching? This is the framework that fixed everything. Part 2. The 3 categories. Every request falls into one of 3 categories. 1. Emergency safety risk, major damage potential, immediate action. 2. Preventative could become expensive later, not urgent but important, scheduled promptly. 3. Cosmetic, convenience, doesn't affect safety or function, logged, reviewed, scheduled later, or declined. Once everything has a category, stress drops. Decisions become procedural. Part 3. Why this system works. Triage removes emotion. It gives tenants clear expectations. It gives landlords control of time. Emergencies are handled fast. Everything else follows process. This prevents resentment on both sides. Still watching? This is the rule tenants respect most. Part 4. How I communicate triage. I explain the system up front. Tenants know what counts as emergency, how requests are handled. When responses happen, clarity prevents conflict. Part 5. The real lesson. Maintenance didn't get easier. Decision-making did. Season 4 is about replacing reaction with structure. In the final file, we talk about exit systems and knowing when to move on. Maintenance didn't need more effort. It needed prioritization. In the final file, we talk about exit systems and clarity. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.